guys, today we're gonna be playing Animal Company. Animal Company, I like it. I like Animal Company.
They're my new sick car that I'm coming, lady.
Ow. I'm gonna keep this, but...
Lenny loves Lances and his dirt bike.
I have this pickaxe. Yep, I just got this pickaxe. I have the stick. I'm gonna get this pickaxe.
Can somebody?
What? What is it? You guys can't make OG back. You guys, you can't make OG backpacks no more. You guys can't make OG backpacks no more. They patched it. They patched a glitch to make OG backpacks. Did you put it? Did you put it in the machine? Wait, you own Goose? Yeah, they already patched it. You can't make OG backpacks no more. It's not possible. It's not possible no more.
I tried it.
You think you can help me get research points
tomorrow?
Wait.
Bro, are you new to this game? But I will destroy you if you hit someone one more time. That's it, you're dead. Look at him running off.
Can someone get me a robot?
I would if I could. Hey, little kid. Little kid, come here. I won't hit you. Kid. Kid. Kid.
Launch.
Please don't hit me.
Wait, kid, real quick. Look.
Ow, ow.
Fight back. I said fight back.
Come here. You. Follow me. Follow me. Cat guy, come here. Follow me. Cat guy, you like my banana? Help me! Do you like the banana? Bro, do you want me to make you something cool or not?
You red. Do you want this?
Oh, ah!
Or do you want this?
Ah!
Red.
What?
Do you want this? Do you want this?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. You need this.
Who wants
to see my skull get crushed?
Cat guy.
Who wants to
Cat
get?
guy, follow me.
Follow me, guys. Follow me. He's like, follow me, guys. Follow me. He's like, follow me, guys. He's like, follow me.
What's a goop save me? Like, what is this update? What is
Join
this?
Yo, follow me. I want to show you something. What code is it?
So it's gonna be 1 4. No, wait.
Popcorn named Penny. I'm a little popcorn named Penny.
1 4.
I like bouncing around because I'm a popcorn.
1 4 3
back in the cave. 1 4 3 5. I'm Poppy the I'm Penny the popcorn. What's your name?
Who wants to go into sewers?
I'm Penny the popcorn. What's your name?
Who wants to go into sewers with me.
I will. Red, do you want another one? Boink.
I really need a grappling hook because I'm really going on an adventure.
I go with you. I go with you.
Guys.
Hey, my grappling hook! My grappling hook!
Let me buy you another one, Red. They're being annoying.
He's stealing your stuff!
I can get another one of those. Can I get a grappler?
Thank you.
I got this guy.
Who wants to go to sewers with me?
Leave me alone. Not me. You just stole this dude's grappler.
Who wants to?
Now you business.
So I kill him. No! He's down. Blow me down.
Who wants to go to sewers with me?
I'll go. Blow me down, sir. I'll go.
Down here! Yes, then down here! Go to this lid!
Who's to come to the forest with me?
Come on. Ready?
Wait. Let me get my weapon.
I'm ready.
Let me get my weapon.
Okay.
I'm also coming with just in case, guys.
Getting your weapon?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I got my weapon.
Let's go. That's a good thing I brought a flashlight. That's a good thing I brought a flashlight. That's a good thing I brought a flashlight.
Yeah, I don't have one. Okay, over here. Hey. Ah! What is that?
I don't know.
I've never seen anything like that.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. Should we go back? Or should we go
I don't know. I'm scared. I'm pretty scared now.
That's what. Guys, come on.
Guys, let's go.
Face?
This way.
Let's go.
Guys, this way.
Chicken butt. Sorry. He's good. What is that? It's Mimic.
It's a mimic.
What is that? Oh! What is that?
Did everyone die? Help me!
I died. What the heck was that?
Blue, help!
I just got
Purple, help me!
Can you find me?
I don't want to lose my items!
Has those bags? Who's the one that has those bags? Oh wait, there's actually 3 bags.
I'll revive myself.
Help me! Help!
Help.
Help! Purple! Put my body back in!
Hit me, buddy.
Help! Help both of us! Help me!
Yeah, I will. I'll revive you first. Please. Run away when you wake up. Just run. Do not run over there. And I got you, my boy.
Yo, bro, I died.
How did you die?
I killed myself with the cluster. Run! Then revive me, just revive me, quickly.
Faster than beast on.
Is that a spider? Excuse me?
I'll kill it along, let me spawn back.
Run! That's crazy. That's a creepy spider. No. It's mimics.
I'm back.
There are There's spiders!
Look at What? Oh my gosh!
What?
Oh my gosh!
There was a...
You almost stuck!
Ah! What the heck is that? What is that?
Build us up!
Bro, that's mine.
Revolver ammo. Ooh, I got some revolver ammo, my boy.
Oh, let's go.
Hey!
Yo, can I have one of your backpacks, please?
Hey, you can take this
I
flashlight.
can't give you a them.
Green,
I
you
can't
can
give you
take
them.
this
But you can
flashlight.
take the whole thing.
Green,
Down your back.
take the flashlight. We're gonna need it. Green, take the flashlight.
Got it.
Green,
no, I don't-
take this flashlight. We're gonna need it.
No.
We're gonna need it. We can't see.
You take it.
Well, my hands are full.
It works.
Hey, yo. Hold on. Oh, no more. What do you need?
You want
can
the
take that.
backpack back? Here, do you want the
Yeah,
backpack back? Give me my revolver.
Huh? Oh. Oh, what's up?
Get him! Get the mimic! Can't see. That hurt.
Oh, you got it? I got this.
Help! Help me!
Yo, you got a shotgun?
We did it!
That's
We did it! We saved
You're a
one!
monster. Yeah, I'm just kidding. You can take it.
It doesn't work in
Yay!
here.
Pick up, guys.
Don't get close to that. Don't get close to that.
Take a one tap shot. RPGs. How? From tiny crates we get freaking RPGs and stuff.
Yeah, RP! You just wasted an RP! Hey, look!
What?
There's bullets! No, there's bullets! Look! Bullets that you can use!
Don't go in the mining cave and press L like
Oh! Here, I'll just revive you.
Happy Piano?
Okay, find my body. Okay.
Guys, don't ask what I'm doing with all of this. Don't ask what I'm doing with all of this.
Oh, no.
If
It's
you
a
use this message,
mimic!
say
There's a
hi back.
mimic! Run! Mimic!
Don't run,
There's
don't
a
run,
mimic!
don't run. Let it do its thing.
There's a mimic.
Got him.
Yeah, don't take the chip. Don't take the chip. I'm trying.
Oh, sorry.
How did you just die?
I hit him with my thing. Yeah.
Guys, don't take
Shall we
the...
go down in mine?
It's Armstrong! It's Armstrong!
Let me hit him with a weeder. Weeder? Is it? Yeah, hit him with a weeder.
What?
Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh hell no, guys!
It's the giant guys! What are these big
You attack! Attack!
spider? There's a spider!
You have to go to fight.
Why are you doing Please, revive me! Revive me! Help! Help me! Help my body! Help my body! Help my body!
Oh hell no!
My spider! A spider got to me! Help me! There's a spider! Just kill the spider! Kill the spider! Just kill the spider! Then Good job.
Don't you know how to
Get to Gully. Good.
I got him.
Now revive me. Revive me.
I got you too.
Thank you. 2.
Back. Everybody marching. One. Don't get
We did it. Mimic.
Chip.
Mimic.
Eat it.
Mark it.
Eat it.
There's a mimic. Yo.
I'm sorry. We're done. Revive the people. Revive the people.
Bro.
I got him. Do not respawn. Do not respawn.
Get the spider.
Boom.
Don't forget to get that spider. He killed me.
All I want
Be careful.
more balls.
Oh, we did it. We did it.
Okay, stop. Okay, let me revive you.
You better shut up before I hit you. I got you. You can revive me.
Oh, I killed him.
Revive him.
Got to do it.
Because revive him.
Where's my trident? There it is.
MPG. Good. You can take this. What the heck? Armstrong! You stay away! Wah!
Stupid Armstrong! Who you killed? That's again. I can revive you. Wait.
Please revive him.
I'm back now.
Don't. Please don't.
I'm watching the end of purple call.
Oopsies! Sorry!
You see, you get a chip, eat it.
Look what I got! Guys, look what I got!
Dude, how did
Guys, look what I got! Look what I got, guys!
Ooh, that's cool. That actually
2 RPGs!
that's 2 in a row. You gotta come back.
Wait a second.
We're getting some good loot!
You know what you
Good.
Hey, you guys want to fix on this?
Damn.
Come on, kill it.
Don't respawn.
We gotta kill it! And we did not kill it!
The guy.
How the hell did we not get him?
Reddit to pug. Reddit to pug. Reddit to pug.
Yes, I got recharge points.
Reddit to pug.
Go!
Can you teach me how to
I'm kidding.
hang an animal?